Valorant stuck on loading screen. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can go ahead and fix this. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now, one of the easiest way on how you can go ahead and fix this is by making sure that you have available space on the drive that you have your Valorant installed to. So if I go ahead and click on my folder right here, I can now go ahead and see all of the drives that I have on my device. Now in my case, I have my Valorant installed at Games Main, which has a lot of available space yet. Meaning if my game is trying to load into Valorant, it will not go ahead and stuck on the loading screen. So you can just go ahead and make sure that you have a space on where the Valorant is installed. Right after that, you can just go ahead and navigate through the Riot client right here. Now once inside Riot, you want to click on the person icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you then want to click on Settings, and inside Settings, you want to click on the Valorant option. Now inside Valorant, we have settings like your game text language, the current patch line, or the install path of the game. But basically right below that, you want to make sure that the enable auto updates is turned on. This can ensure that you are connected to the latest versions of Valorant, getting rid of some minor glitches and bugs installed to the previous versions. From there, you want to go ahead and click on repair, and the game will try to repair itself on issues that you haven't noticed. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.